sleep inside darkness, oh. But you, when you be the citizens, when you say that day when they won't vote for now, we go die for now. No, until this man enter. That man, when you won't die for, they sleep for inside AC 24 hours. That man, when you won't die for, he picking the school for old land. You can know this Orlando. Okay? Your governor, your state governor, his first daughter, second son, from A to Z, they are living in UK. They are living in America. They are living in Holland, Germany, many countries, many advanced countries like that. But me and you that vote him, okay, as a leader, why the leader children, know they go school for inside the nation, which we call our country, Nigeria? My people, after all these people see do us finish, after they thief me, you, Destiny, me, you, Future, after the thief and finish, the thief and if they can't see come our area, now me and you go see come outside, they praise them. Now you go fit drum, what you go do make it do you. And so go see they praise them. If you can't know for inside the state, inside the local government, if you can't know the school for there, we are still called them leader. These people are the people that we're supposed to stone them to death. She mistake on these people, those people we call our leader, we're supposed to stone them, as in stone them. That's why I see they can never come to Europe now, because they know say all this shouting, what would they shout for Europe? What would they shout for America? What would everybody shout? Bedu, Ochatola, my brother Koiki, Dara Talk Show. Many people they shout. You see, say if you can see, they know that too much they come to Europe like that. They dey for Nigeria. They can't come because if they come to the Europe, we can disgrace them in the presence of police without any comments. If you can look what happened in Austria, maybe last 3 weeks, you can check that on your Facebook or what, on your Facebook or your Twitter. If you can see what happened in Austria, you will know that this motherfucker people you respect, hey, Charlie, Baba, Kimi, match my head, finish. They have nothing. They don't have value in the presence of European, in the presence of Nigerian citizens that are living in another continent. They don't have respect because they can't, because of one governor of a state. They can't, because of him, say this flight, oh, now only you go carry go. He will never carry me. No, we enter the same flight. In abroad, we will enter the same train. Their valueness, is that English correct? As in valueness. They are all over. My brother, tomorrow we go talk. They are not talk too much. I beg. See, and I say 7 o'clock. Make me so come online tomorrow, Abi. Yeah. More put on 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock tomorrow. Which is 30. I come online on the 1st, because all of us we got to speak together. Sweat for all, because a new year, new system. New year, new system. And understand me? New year, new system. All this motherfucker leader, we got to put them from one side for 2021 on the 1st. 31st to on the 4th. We got to swear for them. Swear for them. We can keep them. Keep the picking. That picking whether they use your destiny and my own destiny, your fusion and my own destiny to the train. So me we can keep them before their father go come see die. Ultimately death join now. Tinubu, I don't remember your Tinubu. Tomorrow na your day. Bakare, that pastor. I found Kulu. God will punish all of them. Tunde Bakare, that pastor now they talk so. Fankulu, to capital Fankulu. Tunde Bakare, that pastor Zebrumo, to capital Zebrumo. Nick Zekuma, to capital Zekuma. Zebrumo enter. Wallahi Allah. Bakare. Now you they can't give money. You see, my brother. What destroy our nation, which we call Nigeria today? If I never hear the English from my mouth, what can I listen? We can speak and well. I go calm down, speak and make another. You cannot speak English. What destroyed that nation we call Nigeria? I want to tell you people today. First, religion cabal. Second, as in all those traditional cabal, they are still among of it. Economic, as in what they have, they don't know the value of what they have. That is your nation for you, which we call Nigerian. They don't have time for you, the citizen. Religious cabal, economic cabal. Now, program no what was so long. What is so long? So now those is our nation till today. Tinubu, Tunde Bakare, tomorrow. You collect bribe from Tinubu, you collect bribe, say, yeah, Yoruba, Tinubu does suffer. Since how many years? He don't fight the war. For how many years? This is your time to do normal. He fight the war where Russia carry people, mama, for Alagboda Akute. He fights the war where people they sleep for under bridge for Julius Berger. For Berger. Yeah, Julius Berger. He fights the war where people see they sleep, where people see the lack of. Did you, as a Tunde Bakare, did you want to tell me that Lagosians are not slaves under Tinubu till today? What do you want to talk? Is the God? Do you want to tell me that God called you for that? No, it's not God. You collect politician money. You are a politician pastor, and most of you like that. That's why I know they swear for now, because you people doesn't want to shit. This motherfucker religion cabal doesn't want to shit. This motherfucker government doesn't want to shit. This motherfucker religion cabal doesn't want to shit. It's only Nigeria you will see a big pastor escort with many mopo, escort, have a convoy with many soldiers, have a convoy with many mopo. When he dripping in people, collect from the Nigerian pastor, after they collect from the poor people, they build school. It's only the rich people, their motherfucker politician children will go to the school. So what are we talking about? Tunde Bakare is Zito. I capital Zito. Domani, alle 7, 7 o'clock, we come together. You understand me? All Nigerian pastor, see, on a scam, we go kill now. Nigerian pastor, and now we say na scam on the scam on our citizens, so because for now to speak the truth out, you people cannot speak the truth. Ogunla Kayoshimole go kill now tomorrow. Ogunla Kayoshimole, Olomisile Fejewe, go kill now. Or else that one and they speak out. Or else this motherfucker religious cabal. What you people are pronouncing out from your mouth, or else it's not because of politician money, or else it's not because of post, or else it's not because to make the politician know you that you are still in. You people want to belong. That is why you people praise them always. You criticize your fellow brother that pay tithe of 10 naira. After 10 naira, pay tithe of 10 naira. Suffer every day and day. For you to support them, you want to support the politician because of what the politician will give you in a bunch. I can't say you both you God go bless her now. Make I find one music, better music, 5 minutes, make I use some with my people. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock, Mr. Ogun, they come online. They come online. We got to insult those son of the bitch. Buhari, son of the bitch. Lai Mohammed, son of the bitch. Oshibajo, son of the bitch. Governor of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, son of the bitch. Governor of Ondo State, Akeredolu, son of the bitch. Senate President of Nigeria, son of the bitch. Dandu J, Governor of Kano, son of the bitch. And the most especially son of the bitch, A1 in son of the bitch, they are all the Yoruba governor, son of the bitch. Olórí burúkú nìyí. Olóṣì nìyí, orí yìí ti burú, Ògún lákàyè ti pa yín dànù. Only wetin Nnamdi Kanu, Igbo man. Only wetin that man do for phone, calling people, Agbeni, I go be. Mo do security matter on phone. Which date? When my second phone? When my second phone day? Make I leak all this motherfucker secret. Now tomorrow we go speak the secret. Come outside, don't be today. Make I just leak the secret. Wetin Nnamdi Kanu, you speak out. Hello? This Nigerian, they come to us. So yeah, Igbo people, Eastern Clinical Security, wanna unite together, wanna carry ammunition. Yoruba people, and I know if you organize Amotekun, Ogun Kiona. Yoruba King, when I no support on people, and people go take get freedom, Ogun Kiona. Yoruba leader, when I no support on people, and people go take get freedom from inside bondage. They are Ogun Kiona from na pata. And it's surely there. Yoruba government, Yoruba governor, ní sóríire, ordinary Nnamdi Kanu ọmọ Igbo, he make call, he call people, say I go be, security everywhere. Then what? Misa, when Nigeria use millions of naira do that wheelbarrow thing, where they do. If you see where Indonesia, South Korea, America, European, they launch their own missile to the sky. If you know how they say they launch their own, they go. Nigeria and I use millions of naira, millions of dollars. They do on our own missile, nuclear. What do they call this? Nuclear weapon. What do they call now? Missile. What do they use to do? Just ordinary barrel. See what the ordinary Igbo do. Igbo people, Biafra people. See what they all do under 3 days where they all organize together. But Yoruba, we no go feel unite together. Not be like God will make us unite together. Yoruba go stand though, inshallah. I know it's how they say, but our character are no good. Ordinary Amotekun, where we organize for the full Yoruba land, you know, feel stand. Now online and they feed the phone. But in Nnamdi Kanu no call people say when they go fill form online before they go that security network for eastern side. You know then. We have nothing. Nigeria government, traditional ruler. You people make your citizen, but if you are a government, maybe you are a governor of Yoruba land, or governor of Igbo land, or governor of any state you be. With the federal government of Nigeria, since you people collect independence, when they put on a motherfucker slave, they put on a children for inside slave. Not be we, not be my mother. Not be your mother again. Since we are about job with the people, they put in fellow people they for inside sleep. Since what you and I don't gain the money one I get on not shop am? No. But I prophesy to on a life. Obasanjo, Tinubu, all the motherfucker politicians. That 4 generation one they keep that money for. So what well, a lie. Now one by one, when bunch of people they lost, now that picking good loss, that generation go take 4 for inside grave. Inshallah. That's what it could be. Wallahi. See, Yoruba people, until we unite together, see our mouths, you know they close. That is why I want to speak our vice president of Nigeria, English. I want to speak our vice president Nigeria English. Yoruba people, the reason why we are today. Yoruba people, the reason why we are today is that this mouth is not close. On our way go fi organize Amotekun. When we say they go see scatter the Amotekun for our hand, the Amotekun never even stand till today. And I say on a king sense, Yoruba land king. The way they support the politician, we say he forget a crown, he forget what God don't give up from heaven. We come run under government. In this, I know I don't get sense because not be all Yoruba king come run under government now. I don't enter the research, but out of 100%, 98 run enter politician, only 2%. That is why we are where we are today. That is why we don't go front in Yoruba land. That is why you can see some states like Kwara State, they serve Papa. Kwara State, they serve Saraki. In your pick, they say Safan. And some people say they go see Safan today. They go see Safan inside grave. So you understand me? That is why we are today. You know that tomorrow we go talk. Oh, you know what make me happy? As me and you come out today, I'm happy where we are going. As me, I feel enter my house since morning. You are your park say I enter my house. I don't do Christmas for house, but me I want to have my house. I dey happy. The reason why Yoruba are where they are we are today is because their mouths no close together. They heavy themselves. They no unite together. If this one carry him own mission come, this one go scatter am. This one carry him own mission come. See how we go to survive. This one go use his own bad mouth to scatter am. And I hear me now. That is why we are today. Which kind of English with that was? This is my English today. Respect, bro. One love. Tao Omo Eledumare Tao. Mr. Ogun, if you ask Google which is zoo, he will tell you. Yeah. Brother, Tao, you are civilized. If you can type the full meaning of Nigeria, if you can type it on Google, they will tell you. God will bless you for that statement. That is it. You are civilized. I know you are not in Nigeria. It's like maybe you're in Europe because you can see internet 24 hours. Abiola said 90 hour internet. You won't day for body. All those Yoruba. That is why Yoruba they are where we are today. We don't move forward. We are just revised. No security in Oyo State. Full and dog they keep people for inside farm. Wetin happen? Wetin Lamidi wey talk? Wetin wan talk? If Lamidi talk, Buhari go fit say make he come meet am for office. Lamidi go enter motor go meet am for there. So you no wan stress himself. You no need to talk. That is why we are where we are today. If you are above a code, that one they don't pursue am. That one wey be say na under Tinubu the day. Tinubu above Lagos State. Out of 100% of Oba of Yoruba land. Wallahi 99% they dey under Tinubu. If Tinubu say today you go comot that king position where they put there, they go comot. That's why they know they talk. And that is why we are where we are today. I know you make contribution and they appear as they see my people online. They don't say Mr. Good or no. We always at the play. We always at the influence ourselves. The fellow brother wey Tinubu for inside prison, wey dey speak the truth. People like Bola Ige, that time wey they don kill. People like Dele Giwa, wey they don kill. People like all those better people. Awolowo, wey they don group with Obasanjo, wey they kill that time. That is why we no move forward. We come like we are now like water that in one place. No move forward, no going back. That is why we are today, Yoruba people. Yoruba king, Ogunlakaya Shimole, na go kill na wey dey under government. Ayeyo yi da. All the Yoruba king wey dey under government, wey be say if government talk, he no go fit talk. Now Ogun I go kill all of you now. And it's sorry. You know see what happen? You know what people, and I know what they surprise me pass. Like I sit down, before I go dance for my people, before I go off this video. You know what they baff me pass? Yoruba go say Kati Bishano, Kati Mogun. In broken English, if you know correct, I know reason I'm if I know speak the English like that, I go know reason now. As an example, we will start from matches. We'll take the matches, we'll take the unlight matches. We use to start to do juju, say something the way go feel ash. And I see our area on our Kakanfò. Instead of your instead be apostle. That is, those people are the reason why we are today. Nigeria, lawless country. Nigeria is a lawless country. Nigeria is a place that only the rich people will over the law, and the law will against the poor people. It's our country. That is why we are today. Good. God bless you and your family. Happy New Year to you, bro. Kevin, Shigo. Respect, bro. No job, no light, no school, no good road. Bro, health center, fake pastor everywhere. That is why we are today. All killing everywhere. God punish Nigerian. God damn. I don't know. That is why we are today, bro. We got to wake up. Okay? If you look your Facebook, if you are a man, maybe you subscribe to your internet always. As you they subscribe, you follow your Facebook 24 hours. Okay? Your politician picking. Okay? Your governor picking. Your chairman of your local government picking. Okay? Not be like that. They lie. Check them. They are picking. They are now graduates. You know they sleep. Okay? I go on to sleep. Wait, I want sleep. Now, if I did for my country, for Nigeria, not be Christmas, all of us go they do so. Forget more, I know they bring out. So if you want to come up online, you come out. If you not tell people, we use as a joke. If you want time, I go say cut and two. I mean on that thing. I mean Nigeria government in 7 o'clock tomorrow. Agami, you know the reason now. If you look at Facebook, where maybe they see your governor picking, they go they graduate them for UK, British, since almost 3 weeks ago. Some of the picking, they are Navy in America. But you are the leader of a state in your nation. Brother, Sean, I know say we don't put up for inside, as in they put up, as in these people don't put up for inside, as in they put up for back. Like say we are not human be like them. Sean, understand me? They are picking, they are graduating for UK, for America, for Switzerland, Netherlands, Norway, Luxembourg, Germany, Austria, France, in many countries. Their children, they are always graduate for there. They could say my daughter graduated from a Navy school in America. You can also see all those things. But what of you that example, Ngozi Amina, no job, no. What did you gain for that nation you will call one Nigerian? Can you just tell me? Maybe you are age of 20 years or 18 years. Can you tell me what you gain since they born you, your mother gave birth to you in that nation? You don't have a citizen benefit. If you still born, you don't have child benefit. But what's always famous is that we Nigerians will go to another man's land. We are not shouting, no, my child benefit. Oh, I want to collect my. I will make no speak that English because that when I know person I joke with the no be joke, but this one I joke. They collect the husband benefit. I want to collect my husband benefit. I want to collect my wife benefit. I want to collect my baby benefit. I want to collect citizen benefits. But the place where they bomb me or you, we know they collect her for there. What we go do? Son of the bush. Nigeria government. They are all son of the bush. Afankulu. All the king of Yoruba land. Son of the bush. Afankulu. Zebruma. Niki Zekuma. And see, Yoruba people, and they say, they don't they key on a small. English people say, gradually by gradually. Gradually by gradually. From one stepstone to another, they are coming for you. But the only prayer I want to beg those terrorists is that they should not touch the citizen, those people that are poor. They should enter the palace and slaughter our king. They should enter the palace, slaughter the king away in any state in Yoruba land. Because they see what is shit. They cannot, because they cannot fight for your right. Because if they are still alive, they will never make your life better. If you people can understand what I'm talking about. If those king, those motherfucker you call your leader, those motherfucker pastor, those motherfucker leader, those motherfucker politician, if they are still living on this earth, you people will not achieve anything. You people will not go front again, because the more your life destroyed, the more they get the money, the more there's which English I go speak. Oh, when I tell me that English I go speak. Which English I go speak? The more they receive money from the government, which is Hausa, the more they sell your soul. The more Igbo king receive money from federal government of Nigeria, the more he sell people to the government to kill them anyhow. Why? Clear. That one I do on the 20th of October. That's Sanwo-Olu record. Sanwo-Olu now break that record with him brother Tinubu, with the godfather of even Sanwo-Olu get that killing of Lekki. Now tomorrow I'm supposed to talk all this for but tomorrow we could meet 7 o'clock. The killer of Lekki, Sanwo-Olu get for there as a presently governor. The former governor where Ogun go kill now, which is Tinubu, he get for there. And if okay, make us speak and say present tense are past tense. Present tense are past tense. The presently governor have hand for the killing of the on the 20th of October 2020. The former one, which is Fashola, he get hand. Ambode, he get hand. Fashola, he get hand. The former one, which is their father, where he even destroyed everything, where give them fat foundation. The one that create the baddest foundation for them, for the full Lagos state, where carry the full Yoruba, the full Lagos citizen, like a slave. For them, Tinubu, he get hand for them, for the killing of Lekki. He get hand. He get hand. All of them get hand. Your governor, he get hand. Your chairman of local, he get hand. Your brother, where finish NYSC, Nigerian Youth, Nigerian, they call them woman, I know better, so if I mistake that one, I don't go school. Nigerian Youth Service Corps, I mean National Youth Service Corps. Nigerian, you know, be a national Nigerian. Where serve in fatherland. Where we say, based on frustration, where Nigerian government put down, where no make can get work, you don't sleep, oh. Where no make can get work till today. Where he come to talk, because they can't give him €5. €5 now. Okay, they can't give him €10. €10 now, 5,000 plus now. They can't give only ordinary one people. Go die. Go fight for us. We forget what he don't fight for in life. We forget him mama. We fry fish. We fry akara for Joshua. We sponsor her for school. We say na government I won't die for. Now so person go die for. If he gets sense, you know go do like that. Because Yoruba mouth no close till today. That is why we are where we are today. They won't take me like a slave. I say, me, I dey go also on the 25. Me I dey go house o. I wan go meet my people for house. I wan go do Christmas for my place where I dey stay o. They say no. They say oh no. You know wetin deceive me? You know wetin deceive me? Only 20 euro. 20 euro. They say on 25. If you no go, if you no go out, you stay with us on 25. I will give 20 euro. We join your money. 20. I come lose 20 euro. Now 10,000 naira be that too. This thing I go just this John. That's why I said the soul of the great highest Christmas of 25. I just said 20 euro. I use and do labor. I use now wait our king, our motherfucker king, son of the beach, our motherfucker government. Now waiting they don't put up from the beginning with that. No, now with the pass through. You understand me? Now only Nigeria you go see person wey finish NYSC, no get result. After he get result, he finish in fatherland, he serve in fatherland. He no get better job. He go see the staff, he go come there on that thug. Che na English thug na English na thugs. THUGS thugs. Person wey finish NYSC, wey wear am, wey serve in fatherland, wey get the certificate. No matter anything you read, even a custom, or anything we read for bank, for in life, anything we read for school for in life. Now Nigeria, you go come see him, you go come there for under Peking, where we say, you know if we enter class for in life, now talk to fight for Joshua. No be coronavirus call for man, no vessel. We make I use my mask, you know, because of my people. Because I've been the fear, say this guy where they come from Granny. If you enter through internet to now coronavirus, they get power of Granny. No, use my car. I'm going to go screen at it. You know that? My screen over there. You know, go sleep. You don't sleep. Now you do this. This my wife said. I told you people. Oh, I'm man. Towards me, I had one. Day for them again. Okay, you know what? Aladriami, now only Nigeria you go serve your fatherland. Where Nigerian Youth Service Corps, where that your age mates wey no even enter school, the time you dey suffer for school, say make I survive for life. Say I wan serve my fatherland, make I fit get better position, say make I fit dey drive Range Rover or Infinity or Lexus or Maserati. Thug, where we say if they give am this thing, make you hold am like this. Make you put am for ground when stand dey. You no go fit write zero correct. And the Nigerian citizen wey serve im father like go see slave under person wey no sabi write the father name, wey no sabi write im own name. Based on say na wetin Tinubu don create for inside Yoruba land and most especially Lagos State. If you go all those social day, Ogun go kill all of una. Oh, Ola, we go see. You go turn to Woro, see Woro tomorrow. Tomorrow na 30. You go talk to Woro, see Woro. Because I sit down, since I don't come back from work today, I don't enter my house, I just sit down. Okay, I can't check that Lekki to gate. I check am. I see some motor they park like 4 lane to enter, 4 lane to out. They slot in their card. According to Europe. Amen. Tinubu Ogun go kill you. God go punish you when they come. I put water from my mouth. Ogun go kill Tinubu. Me, I sit down. Then this one, I want to talk now. We go cut down. So we go sleep. So at 7 o'clock tomorrow, we go meet each other. As I just sit down, I heard the reason I say, wait, why? Lagos State, that Lekki toll gate, the way they do this Lekki toll gate, it be like maybe say if they come from another state for this Europe, you won't enter another state. You come say you dey slot in your car and the same thing your be. But these people, they know they don't plan ahead us. The plan they plan ahead us is that they divide Nigeria into 3. Okay. For inside that Yoruba, they divide it into 2. They put the poor people for one side, they put the richest people for one side. Because if you can look that Lekki toll gate, if you have been in Europe before, you will know what I'm talking about. The way they just slot in their car, the way they enter there, the way they live, the way their building is like is so beautiful, like Europe. But there are some people in another part. They are living in pain. They are living with tears every day by day. They are living hard life. But as a sample, why can't Tinubu, during the time he make that Lekki Toll Gate, why can't Tinubu make Oshodi like that? Why can't he make all those Alagbole, all those Ibadan? Why those motherfucker government did not make it like that? Make everything okay like that? It's like now, if you have money, if you're a politician picking, if you are a politician children now, or you are anything celebrity, now only in all those VI you feel they stay. Those people that live in Oshodi, in Agege, they are slave because their behavior is like animal. I'm sorry. Not beside the lie. Beside they talk too much. Because if you look your people for inside television sometimes, the way they live is they're living like animal. Future Williams, they don't kill. Future Williams, now they kill her now. People like all those Obasanjo, Buhari, Tinubu. All of them, they kill their fellow brother now because of where they go today. And because of those people where they kill that time, that is why we are today. Where today? That's the vice president of Nigeria. I speak that English. Me go kill Oshibanjo, extra tire. Oshibanjo, extra tire. And extra tire that on your B. I'm go kill you. Lord God bless you. Religion Kaba. And I don't craze. All this religion Kaba, Ogun go kill all of una. See. All this religion Kaba, Ogun go kill now. Ogun. We all the flesh that Christian we dey do, my people. I come online and say, you know be easy now. On the 25 by this time, what's the time they talking on? This 138. Okay, now work as it do. If you that Christmas self, if that on the 25 till on the 26, now work I do. 27. Today now they can say you go your house, can't do happy New Year's for your house. I need to follow on our talking now because on be my people now. We know ourselves. Our logo people, glory be king. We know ourselves. Now those Tinubu now go kill all the governor of Yoruba land, the full 7 states. We go kill all of them, from Sanwo-Olu. All of them, both former and present, we go kill all of them. Because now they put us for where we are today. Since Olobuko Obasanjo don't collect first independent president in Nigeria, we send people. So that is why we are today. You go work for abroad, work. Your wife say no go even send for her for 3 days, 4 days, no go send 5 days, no go send for you whether it is self. Your day go sleep. Go sleep. You don't the dose. You go your work. Your wife no go see her. Your wife no go see her. The house where you dey pay house rent maybe 300 euro per month for inside 28 days. You no go see her. You no go enter the house. If you dey eat ja because food na the lowest thing in abroad na food. Na food na low pass. Food dey okay. But rest of mind. Say I wan do my own on the 25. Wetin go fit make you wey dey for abroad dey enter inside work till on the 26. You no even wetin we dey talk. So now our Nigerian government put us for where we are. That is why we are today. Ogun go keep Buhari. Ogun go keep first federal government of Nigeria. Since they become they call that name Nigerian since 1960. They give them independence. They collect their independence from Oyibo. The first president so Ogunlakaye go kill them till the way they rule till now. Now presently Ogun go kill them. And I make us they suffer. Olori buruku. If you do this one, you don't play. Big boy, you don't enter your head. Tomorrow go out 7 o'clock tomorrow. Nigeria time 7 o'clock. Europe time presently 7 o'clock. Those sons of the beach, we got to swear for them from A to Z. We fear not. It's only God we fear. We don't fear any motherfucker. Or we will kill them all. Nigeria, no good road, no light, no as in no emergency equipment, no free school. As in no. I'm not be loud. Shori buruku gan. You know go better for now from A to Z. All the 36 state governor, federal government of Nigeria, all the PDP leader, APC leader, from A to Z, all of them. This is 142. You know go better for now. Now Gula Kayoshi man now go shop on a high. Inshallah. But that's a lie. Nigeria will say as they do that 25 Christmas so everybody eat. No be for everybody put one for him mouth. Yeah, I get this message is my people. Tomorrow not tomorrow. Me say I don't come back. I don't come for work. Very. Oh, do Christmas for each other. You want yeah. I will lie. That's what you're be. Brother, respect. One love. One love. Mr. Agoka, you know that some people never know about Yoruba nation. Please, I'm sorry, I want to read this. Oh, it don't pass. Mr. Ogun, a peaceful protest where masquerade while repeated Boko Haram are giving amnesty. I make out this thing so that I go hear and wait. Now that person talk better word. Good person. What can you tell me? What you got to matter? Sit down, sit to from Kolo. That is why what this woman said, they say Nigeria is where Boko Haram will become amnesty. That is why we are where we are today. Because as in our colonization now is that they won't make Nigerian youth, both Yoruba land, Igbo land, they won't make we come be terrorists. Because if you are not a terrorist in Nigeria or Boko Haram, if they can't catch you from that Sabisa forest, they can't come back home. The federal government of Nigeria, the sponsor of the Boko Haram, they will think for their own foolish mentality, for their own motherfucker mentality, because they are the son of the beach. They will think the next is that those repentant Boko Haram, they need to empower them. They need to move them out of the nation to go empower them, to sponsor them for school. Why they don't have their own mentality, their own reasonable that these people have already killed people, mama. It don't kill me, people, mama, papa. It don't kill people, children. It don't kill many souls. They will never think about that again. No. So now the Nigerian government are now advising us that if we now a terrorist to the nation, if they catch you as in they will sponsor you. Because the way we get the scene, I don't understand. I will never lie for you. This is Mr. Aguka. You know that some people never know about Yoruba nation. Please let our youth understand we are not Nigerian again. Yoruba nation. Amen. Who is Nigeria? Who is Nigeria? We are no more Nigeria, brother. That is why I said in my video, I said, declare Oduduwa nation now. Declare Oduduwa nation now. Declare Oduduwa nation now. I said it 3 times. That video, I make the video early in the morning, around 5 o'clock. That is maybe maybe November, this past November. I make the video. I said, declare Oduduwa nation now. Declare Oduduwa nation now. Declare Oduduwa nation, because we are shouting about answers. We know that SARS are always killing us 24 hours. They kill the innocent, we know. But for inside one thing, I want it for the common side. We got to declare Oduduwa nation. Declare that Oduduwa nation. Because if we don't declare Oduduwa nation, we will still be for where we are today. 10 years coming. If you and me, if we not declare Oduduwa nation, we will always be for where we are today. Now Shiva just give you that English. He doesn't have for dictionary. Where? Nigerian people is very strong now. Normal Oaks. Respect to you, sir. Elderly man. I see Nigerian people is very strong. We strong. Nigeria, wallahi, for all over the world, the highest hustler, she started to travel, started to go many countries. So, wallahi, the highest hustler on earth, Nigeria. Wallahi, if you say we want to hustle with our power, we can hustle. If you say that the other side wants to follow, now we go see me for them with our brain. Because, see, Nigeria, they are always intelligent. They are intelligent 100% in anything. But our foundation no good. Can't you hear what the Bible said? It said, if no speak wrong English, or speak good English, or make people hear you, not go speak English, or Mr. Ogun. You know, say your English, you're going. You know what the Bible talks? It say, if foundation be destroyed, what the righteous be do? They can't do nothing. Foundation destroyed. Our foundation no good for Nigeria. So the branch, now only God go help them. Because we don't have good leader. We don't have good government. We don't have good transitional ruler. Man, it's like you have been in Libya before. I've been in Libya before now. During the time of Libya, who be that man way right that thing. I've been in Libya since August 7, 2011, before they kill Gaddafi. If you like Gaddafi, president of Libya, if you rule Nigeria for that 42 years, Nigeria go beautiful than London. The same time where Obasanjo and the same friend they be with Makuruma, that former president of Ghana. The same time, all of them be. If you like Gaddafi rule Nigeria for that 42 years upon what we have for that country, Nigeria go beautiful past any country on earth. But see Libya, Gaddafi, he help the people. Based on say if people say they want open eye, that's why they all carry figure where they feed them, they buy them. Me and you stay for the Libya, maybe you don't enter the Libya. We stayed there more than 4 years, they don't pay like B. Now there we start to now for Niger. We start to experience this 24 hours thing. I never saw for my life before. No, so all those things like that, you know. No, say our own earthquake we have in Nigeria. Our leader, our government is our earthquake. Our leader, they are our earthquake. They are our earthquake. Mr. Ogun, can you know that some people? Mr. Ogoka, you know that some people never know about Yoruba nation. They will soon know. A lot of people knows. Okay, right on, brother. Guy, you try. Now so, if you don't speak the truth to you, everyone, who is government? Before they go say what is government for inside art, that time, if you dey for science class, you dey for art class, you dey for commercial class, you go say what is government? They say government of people. Our people. But now Nigeria government are the government of their children and their third generation to come. Not be for me and you again. Because if you just see what the happens in some series, this generation with this set of graduates in UK, Ireland, British. If you see our politician children, they graduate as a navy, little girls, boys, their children, they graduate navy, soldiers from many countries. But for inside Nigeria, why them can they are okay? As a sample, they are the leader of a state, abi, as a governor. Why them can't call their own pick where they born? Say, okay, go and attack Nigeria soldier, go fight for your fatherland, go for the South Forest. They can't do that. Now the poor people picking, they go carry go. See, see, brother. God go bless someone not talk too much. Now tomorrow be the main matter. Go. Buhari Muhammadu, the president of Nigeria, son of the bitch. Special advisor for Nigeria president Adesina, son of the bitch. Senate president of Nigeria, son of the bitch, Afakulu. Vice president of Nigeria, son of the bitch, Lai Mohammed Ogunlakayo Shimole Olobisile Fejewo Osomole, all of una pátápátá, Fashola, Tinubu, Ambode, you get for inside this matter, Ogun go kill all of una pátápátá from A to Z. And they show you all the government of Nigeria pátápátá for the full corner of that nation. On our way they rob our konyoni. And I don't mean of Konyon, that language, I don't go speak and I'm a language for where they rob Konyoni. And now where they rob our Konyoni for that nation, where they make our youth they grow, where they make our graduates, where they for Nigeria, call the loop person, where they for abroad, they will send a slave if they slave. Person where staff in fatherland, he call the look and say, I ain't there for top. We shut up, person where for another land. Me, where I there for my fatherland, I there for Nigeria and my fatherland. I will call the group person waiting for abroad. I say, I be God. And I want to make that country they okay for us. So from A to Z, you know, go better for now. Leave where don't talk about I know the get us of mind though. While later, I know the get us of mind. Or turn on a picky, and I know the get us of mind. Be a kuba, no shake berry. Bole bode like buffalo. Or you to have the lock on the kupa. And to ask the one about the Google say. And to ask the you one about the job bushon. Benny. And you see me I for no cooking see me. Nigeria government and I know get us of mind, inshallah. That's what go be. Inshallah. No go top us down. Yoruba declare Oduduwa nation. Declare Oduduwa nation. Sign the petition and you wise more. If you think on the both four of Nigeria, see, we stop to the think that these people, age pass our own. We can't have the mentality to say these people that their age pass our own, they have the mentality than us. You are a fool. Wisdom and knowledge is not by age, it's God's grace. Don't think those Tinubu have sense than you. They don't have nothing. Okay? iPhone 11 Pro Max, they can never press them. Even Samsung, they can never, they don't feel press them. They don't know where WhatsApp did. They don't get sense. Because they get the upper hand. And the upper hand, what we give them, that is why we are where today. Good night, my brother. Tomorrow we go meet each other, inshallah. That's what you'll be. Why you go talk too much, you know? Tomorrow I'm a sorrow. If I want make a dance for now, means I come out, so I don't go live for now. This is I don't do for inside working place. I don't visit my wife. Rọ́fùnà, kí ló dé? Rọ́fùnà.
Rárá o, wọ́n máa jọ ṣòro fẹ́ yàn. Wọ́n ní pẹ́ parí nísìn.
Àwọn ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ sọ̀kan.
Kí ló sọ?
Owó sùnà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà, ó ń gùn mí. Wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe.
This kind Nigeria na wa o. Every day na killing, they know they tire. This kind Nigeria na wa o. Every day na killing, we know they tire. You heard how people talk. Look at the come up. When I wait me 1 minute, make I put this on my music so that we go view as your pastor. Maybe in 10 minutes we all switch everything off. Tomorrow we go meet each other. When I know best so. Oh. This kind Nigerian wow. Every day na killing, they know they tire. They know they tire to the killers. But one day, when I go tire. Because which one they keep as a secret, he must surely leak out. No wonder. So what are your think we say small time? We need to improve ourselves. Where are now our vice president nice speaker useless people wey dey not get sense who say they be the better leader wey go kill them. Small time I want to do something. You know say every day person they upgrade because all this our politicians go say person wey even dey talk self phone all those things like that. I mean this thing it go better for me, it go better for you, it go better for every one of us when the time go reach. Because they say who go give you clothes? First attention, you're supposed to look about the person who promised to give you clothes. You got to look what he or she put on first. Yoruba say anytime I dash your phone down, I can't go. If I dey talk online, I dey use my internet to speak. Na my internet I dey subscribe. Na my own effort I still dey use. But maybe from that in February, I dey pray to Almighty God make my what I plan for my mind make it come to pass. Make I fit get big apartment. I want make I do see. If it better for me, it better for you, it better for my okay. It better for you. It better for our pikin and your own pikin. May they not live like a slave for their nation. Maybe from that in February, at the my brain self for burning. At the prepare from that in February, they prepare to get big apartment. For inside the apartment now, from maybe January end, inshallah, by the grace of Almighty God, maybe that apartment, I want to make a your drum as a small studio. Maybe small studio. I go fit sit down, fit sit there talk. Make go dey different for this life. Maybe by laptop I dey talk I get but how we go tell you arrange all those things? On our way still get the wisdom. Because on our way still get the wisdom, how they arrange all those things? We go tell you arrange down and wetin we go fit need for them. Maybe even a mic or wetin go fit make the voice loud. Wetin go fit make me sọ̀rọ̀ sókè as a Mr. Ogun. Wetin go fit make pronounce bua. Say make Ogun go give Nigeria government, we go fit go kill am bua, we go hear am once. All those things now I need. From that to January ending, I go get big apartment. Inshallah. The request will come to pass. I will get big apartment. I won't use like a one room, like a studio. I go fit put my Oduduwa banner. Like this one, I go put my Oduduwa banner. I go put Biafra banner for there. I will come sit down for center. I will come dey talk for mic like a studio. So that the voice go up more than this we cannot call them fucking Samsung. You understand me? You understand me? God go bless on my people. God go bless on now. We dey with me till now. God go bless on now. Tomorrow we go see. And I say at 7 o'clock we go put the apartment abi. And I join me so good tomorrow. 7 o'clock we use Ogun for those motherfucker government. This motherfucker king. God go bless her now. Useless leader. Their children are not living for the nation. Their children, their own picking. They are living in another man's land. But they are ruling us like a slave from our own land. But they make the out of their children. They out their children from that nation to another country to go and school for there. After their children come to citizen of another man's land, like a navy, like a soldier, like police, like a pilot, like a train pilot or flight pilot. They make their children the governor of your state. That's why you make your children be for another state, another country, another continent. But me and you, we all sit there. Now me and you consider the president. If pikin wey born for inside belle, when wife born for inside belle, where we say he sleep with his wife, he give am belle, he use her born pikin. He no government on him own pikin. Your pikin dey for another side though. But now me and you head, they make that thing. It no make sense. Son of the beach, Nigeria government, Afakulu, Zebi, bye bye my people. Good night. 7 o'clock tomorrow. Respect, Mr. Ogu. Now me, I don't come back home. I want to do Happy New Year from my house with my people, with my fans. Give out there. And they wait for you. Nigeria government, come and hear me to hold me down. And they wait for you. Come and hear me to hold me down. Edewe pe yo Buhari edewe pe yo kò má yé mi tó o Buhari Ọ̀ṣínbàjò edewe pe yo kò má yé mi tó o Ọ̀ṣínbàjò Sanwó-Olú edewe pe yo kò má yé mi tó o Sanwó-Olú Akérédolú edewe pe yo kò má yé mi tó o Akérédolú. All the language wey Nigeria government dey speak, we no understand am. For the whole world, na Nigerian citizen and then as in no be Nigerian citizen. Nigerian passport is the most highest. They say we get for English. That time we did for primary school. Say we get present tense, past tense, past participle. Past participle. Past participle. No. Present tense, past tense, past participle. Future tense. Whether bad participle not correct. Highest. The most highest worst passport in the world. The most highest rejected passport in the world is Nigerian passport, based on the bad foundation we have, like our government in Nigeria. They are crazy that the son of the beach Afakulu Zebi Zebroma. If the government no good, how the citizens want it good? Government are stealing from the citizen to another man's land. Did you people think you people don't have sense? They have sense. They are looking you people like a fool. Because after you store the money for the nation to Nigeria, from Nigeria to UK or to Italy or France, anywhere you kept the money, they will use the money to build their nation, build their country. Maybe your own 4th generation to come, you will now claim the money later, but their own country are beautiful. But now my money you take for. Now these people that are looking at me, that their money is still for. Now tomorrow we go here and win. All this about we go swear for them tomorrow. All this about. And I don't they die say one by one. I don't they pray to Boko Haram. Say Boko Haram will make you no stop. Oh, Shekau, I beg, make you no stop. How those your member? Where you get? All those your member where you get? Where you don't distribute for the full Yoruba land, for the corner of Yoruba land, so where you don't distribute so. Well, Shekau, I know when you go key our fellow brother who say they finish school, they come they sell pop. If you see where they all gather, they sell pop for we the way they repair bicycle, where they repair keke, where they repair motor, we be mechanic after they don't finish school, or the way they do conductor, no kid them for where they're there. Shekau, I beg you, let me send your branch people to all Yoruba King Palace. May they go slaughter them to the way. All the Yoruba king, now they best a cow since how many days? And even they put them for prayer. But as they make house, you enter, say, okay, don't set. O si di woro si woro nsin. O ti di gobe nsin, okay. When they enter Shish Palace for Yoruba land, all those kings where they not respect this crown, where they we say now other government the day, now other Buhari in the day. If you other local government chairman in the day, where they not be, they don't know what the title, what they don't know. As English you remember la parole, we no go speak English too much. Those motherfucker king that did not value the title of what they wear for their head. Boko Haram make you hear me the enter house call they slaughter them Ogbeni, kill them throw away. Go kill them. Can you imagine Mr. Ogun? Person wey work for 33 years. Akeredolu Ogunlakayo Shimole na go kill you Odo State governor pension. See, if I know they go school for Nigeria, America know they go school again. Because the school where I no want deny. Now the school can't they deny on a now on a certificate, now they deny on a go school, on a do everything, but on a bad government 1.5, you know go make on a succeed. That is why you people are where we are today. I never heard that English before. Shana hear me? People West South country. Staff states, staff in local government, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 33 years. Pension. Okay, I know what I go do. 7 o'clock, I mean. You know what I go do? Tomorrow around 4 o'clock. Around 4 o'clock. I go here do one 30 minutes video. No, like 10 minutes video briefly. I go to one place tomorrow na 30. Ending of month, remember one day make it finish. Make on come see old woman, old papa we don't reach 90 years, 100 years, 110, 102, 80 something years, 70 something years, 60 years. I'm not sure 60 years they did there. 70 to 120, 110. And I go see them tomorrow. They go walking stick. Come to where I go do live video tomorrow around 4 o'clock. That I go don't sleep, wake up, around 4 o'clock in the evening. And I go sit there, how they take they collect that pension. Nigeria government in on a pension people they fence for where they want collect the salary. Oh, go care now. See, on a evening no go better. Now, see, on a evening, it no go better, Nigeria government. On evening no go better, it no go ever better for now, from A to Z. If you are a governor in a state, your evening no go better. If you are a chairman of a local government, your evening no go better. And the main person where evening no go better for the world, this Buhari go now with Yoshibajo. On evening no go better. Because it's like your own government now is now coming to worse. They say present step, past step, and past participle, and future they say worstest. This is the worstest as in your own time now. You come worse past where people even they suffer now. Very broken people. But wait till see the payment say, Governor, wait if your future, wait if my own future now. If you still come down for inside motor, I mean and you go deal alone. Oh, Tuale, Abagalagba, Ipareo, Babao, I go die for you. Now you go see shout for them. After I years you put money for all place. You come pick and maybe I pick 1,000, you pick 1,000. Another 2 years you no go see him for I. I think I will go. I don't even know whether I go talk to. I don't even know whether I go talk. Look at Yoruba people. I feel small for a present too. I small became big. But I want let on know say not be by age. It's not by age. Because the first problem we have in our nation we call Yoruba, in our language we call Yoruba, we think that anybody that pass us like 5 years, 3 years, or 6 years, we think in your sense is more Master English, we are going to speak of English. It's more wisdom than us. No, it's not like that. Maybe you are 40 years, I can be 20 years, I can have wisdom than you. It's not by age. That is the only problem Yoruba people first have for the beginning. Because we pull up for motherfucker elders. Those elders that are crazy, they are son of the bitch. They are crazy. Because first of all, our mouth can never close, Yoruba people. Now me and you go plan now. Now me and you go against of another place. See how these people want to take plan for against another. As the way Obasanjo go say that man that time during the time of Yaradua, that vice Yaradua, the way Obasanjo go sell and say see what Obasanjo tell me say make I no dey under outside again no. That's so you because our mouth no dey close, you no go ever close. That is why we are today. we are today. My brother, God go bless on now. Tomorrow we go talk. You can greet this person. Can you imagine? You can greet this person. Say, people they comment. Share for New Year, Mr. Ogun. How for a compliment of the season. Thank you, Jerry, my brother. God go bless you. Enofo Leos. God go bless you, my brother. Don't mind English. We understand you. We go understand each other now. Agbani. All these our five friends also their English now. Where today? And I know they see Buhari. If Buhari won't laugh, whoa. And so Buhari they laugh. If you even look Buhari for the way they laugh, they go say, this one of a president, the first class person. Whoa. You know get sense. You know na animal. You understand me? We don't talk too much, Daddy. Make a cut time or we all see the use and the first each other. Now tomorrow be the main day. Because when I come online today, say this time I go come online and say, hey, this after 2, you don't pay. People see love for Mr. Ogun. It go better for now. The time when this glory go come, Allah, no go be your back. Allah, the glory no go come, no go pass you by, inshallah. And I will love Mr. Ogun and sit there online with me. So I don't use how they play because by this time on the 25, we will enter on the 26 like this. Brother, if you see the way they sweat, I won't die. Even the Christmas, since on the 24 till 25 till 36 till 37 till 38 till 29 this morning. I said, today I must go and do Christmas for. I won't do Happy New Year for my house. No matter anything you won't give me. We thank God. God go bless and I will love Mr. Ogun. Tomorrow I go do small live broadcast around 4 o'clock because tomorrow na 30 wey pension people go collect money and I see old people, old age wey dey collect salary. We use our 6 well. But 7 o'clock we go come do our normal broadcast. God go bless on my brother. Inshallah. Make I dance for my people. Jare 1 minute, but I will cut down. I don't look fresh. Oh, who be this? Mr. Ogun, you look fresh. Guy, let me fresh, Master Jare. Let me fresh, Master. See, Ogbeni, easy. This is what we call a modernized slave. No reason I'm also not be here. Everybody also 24 hours. That's why Mr. Ogun no get chance to come online. But if I say I can't get this thing true. I mean I go go and they drink. I know they drink. Go. I mean Mr. Ogun they. And I say we don't go better. We go better. All Nigerian citizens go better from A to Z. All Yoruba nation go better. That Yoruba nation go stand. Who said Yoruba nation no go stand? It go stand for a back. It go stand for a back. That's what y'all be. God go bless on our people. Respect. I need to put more music. Make a dance for my people. Ogbeni. I mean I lie. You make me so good dance again. No, but every time Mr. Ogun go come the verse. No. Sometimes Ogun go come on. Sometimes if you people want rub a conyon, that language I no go tell you that rub a conyon. if people want to be your konyoni, you go come you understand, you come the verse. But now make a dance if na 5 minutes, make everybody hear the commerce one by one, 5 minutes, yeah. And you say no put better music.
Kí ló sọ?
Kí ló yẹ tó ń lélẹ̀ yóò ṣàgbéyò ní ọ̀gbẹ́ni.
Kí ni?
Mo ṣe mí ni.
Mo ṣe mí. Bóyá orí tí mo ṣe kápò orí kan tí mo ṣe.
Ok, kí ló ṣe lẹ́sẹ̀?
Rárá o, nígbà bí bóyá ọmọ kan tó ti mi lẹ́sẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ok, kí ni ìyẹn ló ṣe? Ẹ fún nìkan orin tó ṣáfúráfúrá. Tunde Bakare, you don't go collect money for Tinubu and you can't dey mistake. Guy, don't even try that. And you think you want to open any studio, speak only Yoruba, that you know English language is very distant from. No, you have to understand what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that, come on. I said I'm preparing some things. Maybe from now in January ending, I'm requesting for big apartment so that I can use like a room as a studio. You understand me? It's not like I say I want to speak only Yoruba for there. If I want to speak with my Yoruba people, we say their mouths they close together, like all this our motherfucker king. We say they no fit organize their people together. If I want so that I can speak Yoruba, but for this program now broken. Me self I no even go school. I know I can't speak English already. You people know. Now my broker go speak. If I don't speak my broken, I want to install those motherfucker king with Yoruba language. So use to know so Oguna Yoruba language. Now use and swear for them. I go speak Yoruba. If I want to speak the other one, I go speak. So I don't talk say maybe I want to speak. I want to do this thing. I want to use and open. No, not like that. Someone no quote me not go. Now my house, I say I dey request for some house, small time, maybe for nothing in January ending. The house will we successful for me. So to buy mic all those things, you down as a studio. And so now they follow me as my followers. If I dey look back, I dey stand up on my back. I can pronounce out. So far I dey for my back, they watch. I can pronounce out. I can speak out. Sure, you understand me? I know. If you not see. Me, I know they say they support one side. Yoruba people, if you are the way Igbo take stand from the beginning, so if you are the way they take stand, now na take stand and I go down come from inside this slave phone a day. And na way full 7 states, you know, if you organize ordinary abuntekun. Now ordinary in Americano, ordinary single person, he make call from one place when they alone, see instant security, make he assist. Where una go nation na stay for inside bondage, Nigerian citizen. Where say una go lunch, that wheelbarrow, wanna go lunch. That on a missile wanna go lunch. Nigerian government we go kill una. See where say ordinary Igbo lunch. But can you just tell me what ordinary Yoruba people lunch? They can't lunch nothing. But we people we Yoruba we are still talking that the war wey we go fight for 10 years. We will go fight for Yoruba. If they want to see how they speak Yoruba go say ogun Yoruba go say one day war they go use 10 years to plan now. Oma get sense my brother. Oma get sense. We go on they kill us. Now they don't enter Oyo State now. Smart they go enter the palace. Slaughter them throw away. Enter that Osun State, slaughter, enter Odo State, slaughter their king to away. I don't even beg Boko Haram. Make them not kill us again. We will dey sell bonds. We will dey do shoemaker, they do capital. They organize, they use for one. Enter those people where they use road royce. All those our politicians, all those our king, when they carry their head, put for their back. We go celebrate their dead body. Basta, cool, so that we go make me and you get peace of mind. Because the more they are living in this life, we are still inside bondage. The more those motherfucker king those sons of the beach still living on this earth. Me and you, we are still inside bondage. If you agree. Ilé ọ̀dẹ̀ bọ̀ fún mi lára ayé ò ní bàjẹ́ dáhùn. Ṣùgbọ́n ayé. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀gbẹ́gbẹ́ mi wà láàyè. Wọ́n dàbí ká bá ọ̀rẹ́ ilé. Mi ìsàlẹ̀ lóyún fún kọ́mọ̀ náà sáré ó dé wá sí. Ọkọ̀ yẹn lọ dé kèsà ayé. Ó dájú ìran ló bá àgọ́ lọ. Ìkòtò lọ́tún bá wà jàdù o. Ṣé jàdù? Ayé àtijọ́, olden days time, na government dey dey under king, but nowadays na most especially Yoruba king na dey under government. During the time of Tinubu, starting from the time of Obasanjo, before him brother Tinubu come put all the king of Yoruba and under him foot. All Yoruba king dey under Tinubu foot. They don't have value in the presence of Tinubu. Afankulu, olórí burúkú ni yín. Bàbá mi ti jẹun látara ọ̀rọ̀ ayọ̀. Ọmọ mi ti jẹun rí èmi ká mi lọ. Inú mi kàn dùn náà láì. Mo ti wà pẹ̀lú ìyàwó mi báyìí ọ̀gbẹ́ ẹni. Ọkùnrin ló bá. Ìyàwó wa. Kò séwu lóko. My people, and I know see they pay me pass. If in Nigeria government won't do their own, if they won't say they won't put us, they don't take us like a blind. They don't lead. They are those about it that they are already blind already. We know they are blind, but that is spiritual blind, which cannot be physical. With me and you, we cannot know that they are blind, but they are blind in spiritual. They can't see front for me and you. After they shop all the money, they eat all the money finish. They will now go to one village in Europe. The train that they have used for that country, for that village, for more than 30 years, abandoned train. They will find some mechanics. Say, okay, let's eat our Nigerian money. More use and go buy. They will consider they buy train, or maybe na something million pounds, millions of dollars. They will come put on. We, me and you, we say because we never go another country before. We can't look train. I said we go the place. I'll let this governor try. Baba Galak, but let me this governor. You know why Nigeria failed today? Did you people know the reason why Nigeria are still where they are where we are today? Is because they have failed from the beginning. The governments have failed from the foundation. They have failed from the root, because everything now is everything have already passed them, because they don't know where. If you or else me and you want to lie, Nigerian government, they don't know where to start to build the nation now, because this thing have over them. Because they don't start this thing from gradually by gradually. No, it's like a tree fall upon tree. They want to remove the one under. It's not possible to remove the one in under. You got to remove it from up. But these European people with American people, they have already removed their tree from up to down. That is why the thing did not over them. What these people have done more than 60 years ago, before we get our independence, that is what me and you, with our motherfucker son of the bitch government, that is what they are now trying to build up, which is can never possible again because they have already passed them. What the kọjá wọn? Orí wọn ti burú. Orí wọn ti burú. Orí Nigerian government ti burú. Ògùn ti pa wọ́n. Ayé wọn ti bàjẹ́. Because where they supposed to start, they don't start from the beginning. And those who plan to start the nation, to make the nation stand, they kill them away. Who want to make the nation stand? Ìyàwó mi o, Allah mi, I wake and lie, I dey hungry.
Ọ̀gá,
I never eat abeg.
Fúnmílẹ̀, mo ti táyà. Oúnjẹ wà ń bẹ̀, sáré jẹ kó lọ ṣàṣàyẹ.
You don cook?
I never cook.
Okay.
Good question. Now go make you.
Because where they supposed to start, they not start from there. They not start from there because Nigeria now, like say something come over person head. Nigeria don't over those who we think they will rule now. Then they can never make that nation